Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G22, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and extend the list of toggles, which should reveal our power saving mode somewhere here. For me, as you can see at the bottom. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It will bring up a message. Turn on battery saver. Battery saver will restrict power consumption activities, background app activities, visual effects, gesture, touch, sounds, vibrations, etc. automatically to save power. So we're just gonna select turn on, and that's it. Now, one thing to keep in mind, power saving mode typically, though not always, tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used for extended period of time. And because of that, you might have a result in not receiving notifications from applications that require internet connection. And just to name a few, that would be email fetching, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and so on. So, if you experience such a problem where your notifications are being delayed in delivery or just not delivered at all till you interact with the device, just know that this is a fault of power saving mode. And obviously, to fix it, get rid of this, you can just tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and everything will go back to functioning as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.